Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, enjoy the video.
There, all units will traffic on channel 1, midnight 43.
331 Larry. Back up to Boulevard.
There's the Boulevard. There, yeah, not 245. Clear, Henry, Bravo. That's their main chief of service, Bravo.
Yeah, trip. Get out of the fucking way!
Copy. Clear, what's that about channel 2? Clear, return to a 2000 Chevy. Great. Clear, 2 out channel. Clear 4 units on the
Registration comes back on address in Houston, 39.
Dispatch is checking. That's clear, approaching Lawndale exit. Clear, taking the Lawndale exit.
Wrecked out, Roosevelt.
That's clear, right down. That's clear, right down.
Hey! One on the ground, Hispanic male, black shirt, tan pants. Hey, come here! Please stop! Northbound Roosevelt. Coming up to John. Through John. He's up.
Recording muted.
You fucking
No longer muted.
I got cuffs. All right.
Go, go, go. 29 detained.
If anyone's back by the vehicle, clear it. What you running for?
Clear, 1 detained, midnight 53.
is there anybody in the vehicle? No? Okay.
Hey, Escobar. Hey, put him in your car.
Stand up. Stand up. Roll on your side. Towards you. Negative. We're gonna double check.
If there's no one in the vehicle, no one else left.
Hey, come on, stand up.
Stand up.
That's clear. None outstanding.
Yeah, go ahead and have a EMS check by. Did you take something?
Johnson, let us go clear the car real quick. Are you good here?
Yeah.
Come on.
You still want him in my car?
Here, yeah, can you put him in your car?
Yeah, let's pick him up.
Here, stand up.
Check it first.
Hey!
Hey, you good?
Hey,
Good?
you got a Narcan? Give him a Narcan.
Hey, you good?
I don't
Are
have
you
it.
good?
That's
Wake
right.
up!
Escobar.
Go check his pockets already for
No.
weapons? No weapons. You got no weapons, knives, guns?
Well, why are you running?
No, stolen.
The car's stolen?
Yeah.
You took it?
No, somebody else did.
That's clear. One on this bound. Left shirt.
Fucking hands on the ground. Okay.
Hey, Escobar. Hey, put him in your car.
Stand up. Stand up. Roll on your side. Towards you. Negative. We're gonna double check.
If there's no one in the vehicle, no one else left.
Hey, come on, stand up.
Stand up.
That's clear. None outstanding.
Hey, go ahead and have a Did you take something?
Johnston, let us go clear the car real quick. Are you good here?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, yeah, can you put him in your car?
Still? Okay. Here, give me the light. Give me the light.
Wait, check him first.
Shit, my light's still. Hey!
Hey, you good? Are you good?
You got a Narcan?
Give me the Narcan. I don't know if I do or not. I don't think I replenished. I don't have any. That's why you got any on your chest?
You got Narcan in your car? You gotta check my gym bag.
Hey! Hey, I need you to wake up. I need you to wake up.
Units on the pursuit. Do you need additional units at your location?
I don't think so. Do you need anybody else? I don't think we do. That's negative, we don't. Huh?
Clear. Negative. No units.
I don't know what
needed
you're
on
saying.
the pursuit.
You took rat poison?
331 for Rancho. 39, took rat poison.
If they're going to the car, I don't know if 39's going to the car or not, but
I'm right here.
I'm sorry, not 39. What?
I got a bottle of water in the car.
Okay, but I need you to sit up and we'll take you back. But if you're just laying here, there's nothing we can do for you.
Okay, can you help me?
Okay, all right, come on. Hey, he said he'll wrap up. Shit.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Come on. Sit up. You're gonna roll onto this knee, okay? Roll, 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 roll. Come on. Get up. Get up. Okay. Push against me. Come on.
I don't want to do no harm.
I got you.
Y'all check his pockets already for weapons? No weapons. You got no weapons, knives, guns?
Well, then why are you running?
Car stolen.
The car's stolen?
Yeah.
You took it?
No, somebody else did.
Somebody else took it.
I
Okay.
bought it from him.
Okay.
Hey, y'all good here? I'm gonna go check.
Yeah. Can you stand up?
I bought the truck stolen. I bought the truck.
39, is there anyone about the vehicle?
Somebody told me about it.
Okay.
Find out.
Okay. Well, that's something that you might want to say, right? Instead of just running.
Sorry.
Can you stand up? Let's get you in the car. Let's get some AC on you. All right?
Yes, sir. I didn't mean no harm to hurt nobody, man.
Well, thank God you didn't crash into a house and fucking kill kids or something.
Sorry.
Or kill construction workers.
1400 block of Roosevelt Street.
Case number 11705, 11705.
Correction, it'd be 1400 block.
Can I get a bottle of water from in there? So I got the water in there, sir. Please.
Just checking additional plate for George Tom. It's 0562.
On the side right there.
Oh, okay.
Hey, officer.
Well, this one says 14.
Guys, you still in now?
We got cash there. We got a bag which had food and water in it. Beers. Brewskis. We got a.
You got gloves.
I don't have any gloves on.
Oh, you want some?
I would like some. Poor favor. Thank you, thank you.
I don't know if you can do it.
Oh, I'm sure I can. I got tiny little hands. We already ran both. Yeah, the plate goes to something else. The plates are stolen, I think. The VIN comes back to a stolen vehicle. I don't know what this is, but we need to keep an eye on this. This was smoking earlier, so we need to keep an eye on this. I'm doing the inventory. I haven't found any rat poison yet. Except for, I don't know what that is, but that red thing was smoking when I walked up to it earlier.
He like slumped over and we're talking about like he's playing games. Took rat poison. Is he? I don't know.
Well,
They got lost.
they were very busy.
On cold water.
Yeah, that froze me. We got $200 bills. Got a giant fuck off machete.
Nice.
A Jason mask.
Yeah, he said he bought it off of somebody.
Hey, can I get a bottle of water in there?
Please. To me, hold on, let me ask.
Hey, I don't feel good, man.
Hey, you want water? Ask Johnson if you can have one.
Hey, what's your first name?
I got it.
Okay, listen. We're going to have EMS check you out. They said you can have some, they can't. I'm not a medical professional. I don't want to get you something happen, okay?
Man, the water's in there,
Okay,
man.
but
Please,
you need to listen to me. EMS will say you can or
Yes,
can't, okay? We got to wait for them to get here. You'll be all right.
I don't feel good, man.
Keep breathing.
Please.
Focus on breathing, okay?
170 clear, check one. Last name is Lopez. First name is George.
I'm out on bond.
R-G-E. Spell like Jorge.
J-R-J-E.
81.
Clear, you have the LRD also.
Negative. Here's your Narcan, bro. Thanks.
What? What do you say? What do you say?
No. Stolen car, he's on probation, he's on bond. There's a...
I told you that.
I know.
ain't lying. I bought this car from somebody who told me he had the title at the house and I ended up finding out it was stolen. I went back to his house, he don't even live there. I told him I don't want to be buying stolen shit no more, man.
331 ETA and paramedics.
I was almost home. Oh well. It's time to go to die.
331 EMS is over, Chief 225, about 5 minutes out.
Sir, tell them to just stay on 225 till it dead ends or dumps out, that's yes.
That's fine. There's one out of 87. 32-1, sir.
Do you have an ID or DL? Do you have a driver's license? Hey, wake up. You good? Seatbelt on. Jorge.
327.
Yeah. No, I don't like it. Hey, you don't have a DL? No.
Patrol 3.
No, she got stolen. 27.
Subject on position on server, no deal, no ID.
Clear. You don't have a driver's license?
No, sir. No, sir. I got an ID, but I don't have it on me. It got stolen.
What's your ID number?
37
I don't know.
I don't know if anybody else can have a record for the next...
Jorge Lopez?
No, Jorge.
J.E.
37.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's crazy.
382. Need a record at Roosevelt 225 for prisoner vehicle. There.
B. Jorge Lopez. Jorge, not G.
That's clear.
Yes, sir. He's got several outstanding.
So let's talk about last night. When I went to pull you over last night, why'd you run from me?
The truck is stolen. I bought the truck for this vato. The vato told me everything was right for the truck. I paid $3,000 for that truck, alright?
Mm-hmm.
And I ended up finding out the truck was stolen.
Okay. How did you find out the truck was stolen?
Because the vato told me at the end he's gonna get the paper, the title for the truck, and at the end he told me, hey, I gotta tell you something. It's like, what's up? The truck is stolen, bro. I was like, man, dude, I'm not trying to get caught up on no stolen truck no more. I already got busted with one. I'm not trying to go back with another one.
Okay.
And it don't happen, you know what I mean? I bought the truck was stolen. I ain't gonna tell you his name.
You're not?
No.
Okay. When did you buy it?
3 days ago.
3 days ago? Okay. And he told you at the end of your encounter?
Yesterday he told me, hey, the truck is stolen. I can't keep the title for you. I can't give you the title.
Okay. So he sold it to you, waited a couple of days, and then told you the truck was stolen. Okay. Did it have did you get those plates for the title?
No, he already had them.
You already had the
He already had the title. So he already had the plates.
Okay.
I thought, oh shit, the check, fucking, I'm gone. I mean, no problems. That shit told me it's time to talk simple style, so I said, fine, fuck it. At the end, I said, fuck it. You know what I mean? I got nothing else to lose. What the fuck I'm gonna lose? I lost everything.
You said you paid how much for it?
$3,000.
$3,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Did your friend say where he got the truck from?
No.
He didn't say if he stole it or if he bought it off of someone?
No.
Okay. You didn't realize that, when there wasn't any keys for the truck that...
I realized that, but I told him, hey, some trucks turn around with no keys, and I told him, I kept asking, hey, man, truck stolen, yes or no? And he didn't look like a car thief to me, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. So you thought he was a trustworthy enough guy to buy the vehicle from, even with no keys and all that?
Oh, he had the keys to open doors.
To open the doors?
Yeah, but my wife fucking threw the keys away, fucking hid them from me, and I don't know that with it. I mean,
okay.
He had the keys to open doors, the alarm, everything on that bitch.
Okay. He had like the key fob, like the clicker, the fob.
Yeah.
Okay.
He had everything. He had everything.
Okay. But not like an actual key for the ignition.
No.
Right?
No, not the key for the ignition. It's only for the doors and the ignition.
Where did you get the lawnmower in the back from?
I bought it from somebody.
Okay.
I bought the lawnmower from somebody else. Garage sale, $25. He told me I just need the battery for it.
Okay.
Right. I tried it out and everything. He said I need a battery. And I tried it out with their battery and it worked. And I said, okay, I'll buy it for you.
Okay. To your knowledge, is anything else inside that vehicle stolen?
No, I don't know. I don't know they had anything else stolen. What else was in the vehicle stolen?
No, I'm asking. To my knowledge, there's not either. I'm asking if there was anything.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Okay. Are you still with Texas Syndicate?
Yeah, presently, yeah.
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been with them?
2007.
2007? 15 years?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you with anyone else?
No.
Okay. The only reason I asked that is apparently, I didn't hear it, but one of the nurses was saying that you said something about Houstones or something while you were in the hospital. I don't know. Okay, maybe it was a misunderstanding or something. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't hear it. That's why I asked that. Is the just the tattoo on your chest for the Texas Syndicate, or do you have more ink for them?
No, no arm.
Your arm too?
Yeah, like Texas horns.
Okay.
Horns. Stands for Texas Syndicate. But like, how to say it? I like I'm not in it, so I don't talk to them. They don't talk to me.
Oh, you're not in it?
No, I am in it, but like, I don't talk to them. They don't talk to me. I don't play with them. They don't play with me. I want out.
Oh.
They're gonna kill me, so it don't matter to me.
Okay.
All right, is that what you want to know? You got it. I want out. They're going to kill me. That shit don't matter to me. All right.
Okay. Okay. Is there any information you'd like to share with me?
No.
No? Okay. Do you want an emergency contact put down?
Yeah. 281.
Hold on. What's the name?
Daniela.
Last name?
I don't know her last name.
Okay. Relationship?
My wife.
Okay, Jorge. That's all the questions I have.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of our new videos. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.